It's time to run your construction business and your projects in one place with RIB 4.0. From planning to site management, change orders, and analysis, RIB 4.0 connects your teams, processes, and data in a single intelligent solution. Hi, I'm Dory Yazar, and I'm going to give you the top 10 reasons why construction companies, developers, and infrastructure and industrial plant managers are turning to RIB 4.0 to build faster, smarter, and more sustainably. Reason number one platform, full life cycle. RIB 4.0 combines project and enterprise management in a single system. From estimate to site management, from contracts to carbon tracking, it's all connected, all in one place. Reason number two, built-in 6D BIM for smarter planning. With seamless 6D BIM integration, RIB 4.0 brings design, cost, sustainability, and schedule together. Plan with greater precision, spot risks earlier, and keep teams aligned with clarity and confidence at every stage. Reason number three, real-time insights for real-time decisions. No more waiting for reports. RIB 4.0 surfaces key KPIs live, so decision makers, planners, and site teams always have the latest data at their fingertips, wherever they are. Reason number four, workflow automations that scale. Standardize how work gets done. With RIB 4.0, you can build custom workflows across teams and projects, reducing errors, saving time, and making best practice the norm. Reason number five, connected document and data management. Stop wasting time searching for the latest version. RIB 4.0 gives you a central source of truth for every plan, spec, and contract. Trackable, shareable, and always up to date. Reason number six, smarter resource planning. RIB 4.0 delivers complete control over every moving part of your projects. Now you can plan with precision, schedule smartly, and optimize your resources like never before. From your people to your equipment to your materials, all delivered just in time. Never too much, never too little. Every task, every shift, every delivery is streamlined. Reason number seven, sustainability built in. With RIB 4.0's CO2 calculator, you can estimate and track carbon emissions from day one. Build greener, meet regulatory goals, and lead on sustainability with confidence. Reason number eight, company-wide productivity. With RIB 4.0, teams work from a single platform, eliminating duplicate data entry, siloed systems, and fragmented communication. That means faster delivery and stronger margins. Reason number nine, enterprise-ready, mobile first. Whether you're managing multiple regions, currencies, or teams on the move, RIB 4.0 is cloud-based and mobile optimized, so your entire operation stays connected and secure. Reason number 10, built for visibility and control. With intelligent access control, role-based dashboards, and business partner management, RIB 4.0 puts you in control, no matter how complex your business or your projects. RIB 4.0 brings together everything you need to plan, build, and operate better. Fewer tools, less rework, and more certainty every step of the way. Ready to see RIB 4.0 in action? Leave your details and we'll be in touch.